Alright, Tony, go ahead.
So we booted the switch, a Cisco 3750G to the BIOS. Now we're going to initialize the flash. So we made some shortcut.
So those are barcode commands?
Yeah.
That's cool.
We're going to initialize the flash, get into the BIOS. Now we're going to open up the directory and see all the files that are in there.
That's pretty cool.
And then now we have shortcut commands to all these to delete anything that we've seen, all the common ones. And we want to leave the one operating system. So we're going to delete. Now we're going to say yes to delete all the files that we don't want on there. Some of these are not on there, but it's just saying you cannot find it if it doesn't exist. So now we're going to go back and look at that initial directory. And that's all we want to have left, is just the operating system. So that's all set.
And that's all connected by this cable, the console cable?
Yep.
What is that, RJ45 too?
RJ45 to USB.
Yeah. It's a special cable that you get like on Amazon.
Yep.
So you develop this process to speed up the wiping of the switches. And the reason why we developed that process is because we have stacks and stacks of Cisco switches to wipe clean. So that's the before, and we have quite a few more than this. And this is the after. This gets all clean, they're all tested and finalized. So that's our Cisco station right there for right now.